Good morning, Syracuse!
I got a question, Mother Nature. What the hell are you doing? We have snow on the ground, but you decide you want to pour, so it's raining. Why? You literally make absolutely no sense on what you're doing right now, Mother Nature. Call me what you wish, a pussy, a baby, I don't care, but I'm dry. I'm rocking the umbrella. I knew it was a good idea to bring this thing. It's pouring. Who would have thought this is happening? Just finished PR, headed to calculus. Should be exciting. We'll see how it goes. The umbrella's not a bad choice, except I have no clue how to like keep it staying up, but we'll make it work. You know what, Mother Nature? I'm starting to get real tired of your shit right now. You want to snow now. After raining all day, Syracuse, your weather is ridiculous, and I don't understand it one bit. It's supposed to be like this rainish snow that's coming down. It's supposed to be like this for the next all night and tomorrow morning. I'm just kind of blizzarding it out. It's sticking, so that's awesome. We're going back today in this bizarre weather, but it's going well. What's up? Sleeping? Doing some work? Look at you guys. That's a first. I don't think I've ever seen those kids productive. Ever. Now I gotta go be productive. What's up, everybody? We're back in the room, chilling. It's approximately like 6:30 right now. I'm gonna go grab some food. Henry's working, Evan's working, Taylor's the only one who hasn't eaten yet. And then tonight there is an opportunity for us to go and meet some brothers down at their house at AXP, which is down. It's on the other side of campus. It's at 9:30, so I might make an adventure that way. I haven't quite decided. We're gonna see if Taylor wants to tag along. If he does, then it'll be great. But if he doesn't, then we'll probably go stag and we'll be there for just like an hour. So nothing too bad. Now I'm starving, so we're gonna go eat. So I was planning on eating and showing you guys that I ate, but I ate and realized that I had forgotten to do an entire video during eating. But I got a package. Mother sent it to me, so we're gonna see what goodies we have inside real fast. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got a note. Alright, so I got books. How to make, here we go, shooting video that doesn't suck. That's funny. Alright. Canon 70D. Alright. and a bunch of treats that are getting everywhere inside this bag. All right, great. What is, oh, it's a belt. I got a belt. That's stylish. Ooh. Is this exploded. Oh, shoot. It's getting everywhere. I don't, thank you, Mom and Dad. Oh, shoot. All right, that had a hole in it, so I had to throw that out. More seeds. I've never been a big seed guy, but okay. Popcorn, hell yeah. Can't go wrong with some popcorn. What else do we have in here? Swedish cookies, all right. Some paperwork that's getting all over, everywhere. What else? Hershey Kisses that I just opened into the entire box. Boxers, okay. Got some boxers and a notepad. The Call to Duty. The Call to Duty notepad. All right, that was a lot of mess, pretty much. But thank you, Mom and Dad, for all those lovely gifts. Now I'm gonna edit the video and go on in another adventure tonight. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, well, we like gotta get it done. I'm sorry. I'm kind of worried.
Yeah, like, and it's like kind of long. Like.
What's up, everybody? To all the people who want the hot blonde in the videos, she's lying beneath me. She is in the process of studying girls to be DGing with, right? Isn't that how this works?
Yes, to become initiated.
Initiated. And that girl right there is her big.
No, I don't have a big yet.
She wants that girl to be big. You can't even see her name. Like, you can see it.
No, you can't.
Oh, I can't. We can't show you guys.
It's
yeah, but that party
Stay
was It was okay. I don't know.
Stay tuned.
We'll see how it goes. What the future goes. Oh,
Follow my channel. Just
follow Allie.
Follow me on Instagram.
Follow Allie on Instagram. There you go, everybody. Now we're gonna walk back today. Back in day. Time to end the day. Thanks everybody in joining me in the day by day with the day ending here.
Subscribe to Colvin. Here's the Stuff YouTube channel. Woo!